Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the lightning spell level and the enemy base layout. Pick the right number of spells, usually 2 to 4, based on target health and spacing. Once you know which defenses are clustered, deploy a small bait or scout troop to reveal exact positions, then drop lightning directly on the grouped defenses. You do this because concentrated damage multiplies value. Make sure not to cast on single isolated collectors. Time matters, so act quickly once the layout is visible. Once done with the first cast, focus on timing and precision. You should pair lightning with a complementary spell, freeze or earthquake, when defenses have shields or are heavily upgraded. Position the center of the lightning on the tightest cluster to maximize overlapping strikes, and stagger multiple spells if buildings are rebuilt or if single-target infernos cycle through modes. You want to deny repairs and prevent healing from clan castle troops. Make small adjustments to placement to account for building hitboxes and radius. To finish, push your follow-up troops through the gap lightning created and watch for spring traps or skeletons left behind. You must confirm the remaining defensive threats and adapt troop push accordingly. If your lightning underperforms, check whether the spell level matched defense hit points and consider swapping in more spells next raid. When things go wrong, don't panic. Pause briefly, reassess which defenses still stand, and retarget remaining clustered buildings immediately so your troops keep momentum and objectives stay achievable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.